how to use free internet without buying data bundles. Hello guys, welcome back to Eliatech, a place where we don't dial star 544 hash. First of all, we need Astro Plus VPN APK. The second thing, an Airtel SIM card for this tutorial. All of this gives us free internet. All of these things I'm going to explain in the next screen. So follow me. Let's go in the next screen. Now guys, we are back on this screen. So the first of all, we are going to Play Store. So let's say you go to Play Store and download Astro Plus VPN APK. I'm going to put the link in the description that will take you to Play Store immediately. So I'm going to open this app, which is Astro Plus APK VPN. So I'm going to click on it. So you're gonna wait for it to load. So see, I was using Safaricom SIM card, but the purpose of this video I'm using Airtel. This was the SIM card I was using, but for now I want to teach you on how to use the Airtel one. Every SIM card works for you guys. Now you go here on this option, click on it, and you're gonna choose any server of your choice. For me, I would like using United Kingdom, so I'm going to use United Kingdom. And the second thing, we come to this option here, then click on this option. Now you're gonna go to this search bar here. On that search bar, click on Kenya, or depending on your country. So for me, I'm going to Kenya daily. So specific, I'm going to choose this config. These are configuration lines. So I'm going to choose this Airtel. Now what you're gonna do, check for updates. If there are updates, make sure you update your config. So you come here, this option, these three lines up there, you're gonna click on these options. Make sure you update your app to the latest one. Now we have an option to add time. Here. When your time is up, you just watch an ad and then you add your time. Another thing, make sure you have the best IP. So if it doesn't connect, search another IP and then try to connect. To search an IP, you just scroll up, then turn on airplane mode on and off, and you get a new IP address. If you don't know these things, just click on my profile and ask me, I'll teach you more. Now click on connect. Here you click on connect, this one, and then straight you are going to see here logs. So in the logs, we're going to click on logs to see how we are. Now guys, successfully connected, and see, even notification have starting pop up. So this is a clear illustration that we are connected and you are ready to use the free internet. So the limit of your usage is not determined. For my case, I used 1.2 GB yesterday, and one of my friends told me he only used 200 MBs, and the last one told me he used 600 MBs. So it depends, it chooses random, because users are too many, so it will just choose for you randomly, so you don't know you lose how many GB or how many MBs. Now let's go back and we prove with you that we don't have data here for browsing. We are using our VPN for browsing. So let's test with the YouTube. So let me open YouTube. Wait it for it to load. Be patient guys. Now it has opened. Now this clear social that it works, because look, it has opened videos. Let's watch this short and see how it works. This VPN provides for you free internet guys. I don't have even data bundles, so not cheating to you guys. So guys, that is the tutorial for today. If you have not liked the video, make sure you like and press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you are notified. Let me see in the next video when I create another free internet trick. Remember, this is a place where you don't dial *544#. Let me see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.